Hi Pirjo Kääriäinen, you are a designer in residence at the Aalto University and you have been participating at our seminar today at the Finnish Institute about Chemarts, the new wooden-based products. And I know that you have a very exciting cooperation at the Aalto University called Chemarts. Tell me about it, please.
Okay, yeah. Chemarts is in fact our educational collaboration between two Aalto University schools, School of Art Design and Architecture and School of Chemical Technology. And we started already 2011. In fact, we got inspired. We found out that we are both schools. We were extremely interested in biomaterials and a more sustainable material future. So what we did, we hired 6 students for a summer to explore what kind of collaboration we could have between our schools. And they named the collaboration Chemarts, and they invented some courses that we are now organizing at the moment, which are open for all Aalto University students. And the idea is very experimental, it's hands-on, so the pedagogy is based on experiments and doing things and trying and discussing, quite playful in fact. So it's more about to inspire young people to explore materials in general and get interested in materials and especially biomaterials. So that's Chemarts.
Could you please give some examples of what these students have come up with?
Well, they mainly work with a very kind of first ideas. So they've been exploring, for example, biodegradable shoes, or they've been talking about or exploring, for example, eatable dish, which they combine pettu, the traditional Finnish wood bark flour, and with bacterial cellulose. There has been concepts with extractives for different kinds of purposes, but more like a little bit like playing with different kinds of ideas, what kind of things we could derive out of wood in general. There has been so many interesting concepts, but as I said today, most of them are just ideas. So if they one day are going to be like products, real products, so it's huge amount of work is still needed to develop those ideas to commercial products. So we'll see. But at least they've been so inspired.
Yes, it's very, very nice to see all this. You mentioned some of the challenges just now, and in your presentation or in the panel discussion you mentioned the common language. What did you mean by that, finding the common language?
Whenever I speak with anybody who is working in interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary collaboration between different business fields, it's always about the language and the words. So how do we interpret what the others are saying? How do we communicate? How do we find a shared language so that when I say something, my colleague will understand what I really mean? It's, for example, the word design is extremely difficult because it can be engineering design, it can be molecular design, it can be product design. So we really have to. But it's not only in our projects. It's in general all these interdisciplinary projects that the language is one of the key things for the success. The shared language.
Thank you, Pirjo, for being with us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.